everyone, welcome to my channel. This is Mama Cooks. Now today I'll be showing you guys what I'll be doing. Actually, I dehydrated my bay leaves. And I'm going to, after when I dehydrate it, now I'm going to do my ginger. I'm going to do that. But now it has been dried. Actually, I did it for like 60 degrees for 12 hours. I actually did this for 12 hours. So you can see it is dry. So let me just put it away. So I'm going to grind it now and show you guys how it actually looks like. Okay, so it's a lot. You actually get it from our garden. You can see it's very crispy. You can hear the noise. So it'll be easy actually to grind. Okay, so so that's what my husband did. My husband cut it from the tree. The small tree has become a huge tree. Matter of fact, so we are cutting it. We just want to prepare the tree for the winter period. And so we decided to trim it out, and we're going to as well share to friends. And but meanwhile, I decided to do my first. So actually dry it, to dehydrate it and prepare my. I could keep it like this. You can keep it like this with, you put it in airtight bottle, and you can actually preserve it like this. So when you go to the shop, you get it to buy like this, already dehydrated, and they sell it in the shop. So, but in this case, I'm just going to grind it. You can see it is really overloaded. But you know the way guys do things. Yeah. It's really full. So I am going to, okay, just leave that right now. Just down there. Oh my goodness. But I still have more to dehydrate, but I just put that there. So meanwhile, I will dehydrate it first. So what we do is I will wash it thoroughly, and after washing, we just dry it. I dry, then I put it in my dehydrating machine. So because when you can wash it, you see how it is. It is not. But I always like to wash my vegetable and fruit, because you know when you get it, it can be dusty. Although here has been raining, and but not really that dusty. But I always like to wash my stuff. So that's that. So this is how it is. So as you guys are already familiar with my grinder, this is the grinder I'm going to use now. Because for the fact that it's very nice and dry, it's going to be really very easy. And just plug it here. It's my plugging machine. Okay, it will be easy now. Okay. Okay, plug in. Alright. Oh, I think it's ready to go. The light is on. What I need to do now is just to open it and start loading it. Okay. There you go. there, so let me just clean it up. I'll get something to do. I'm doing right now is a bit wet, I guess. Yeah, it's a bit wet. I don't know why. Just the blade, so that's the. So I clean it up thoroughly now. Okay, that's it. Cover. Okay, cover's okay. I'm gonna grind it now. I'll show you guys how it is. See? It's really nice and crispy. It's gonna be very, very fast. Very fast. Okay. Okay. I'm squeezing it a bit so that I'm able to put more inside. See? Okay. So that will do. I'm just going to. Alright, so let's see. Where is it? Do it one more time. I am turning it so that it can able to blend everything together. So it is a very high speed. So let's open it and see. Oh my goodness. So you can see you can see it is being reduced right now. It's really unbelievable. It was full, but for the fact that now it is being crushed, it becomes smaller. You can see? So I'm gonna add more. So that's shown that I really done very well. Amazing. So because when you are cooking with bay leaf, the bay leaf is very healthy to cook with. But then when you use the leaves only, you do not use everything that you need to use. So, and that is why I am not throwing it away. I just ground it. Then I have a powder. So with that powder, you just take a little bit and put it in your food when you are cooking, when you are making stew. But with the fresh one, if you need to use the leaves, you can use that. But most of the time, I use the powder. And also, you can make bay leaves. You can just take some few of these leaves. If you just like big one, two, you can just put it in the cup and add your hot water. Then you have bay leaves tea. It's very healthy. People do it. But I do it when I cook other bunch of food together. Like if I'm really, if I'm having a flu, I just collect some of these bunched leaves, and with ginger and lemon, I just cook it together, and then I will just cook it like that, and I will drink it. When you know your flu is gone, so let's go ahead now and continue to grind. can really see the nice and grand. Let me get my spoon. You can see. Oh my goodness, you need to smell it. Oh, this is very strong. You know, so it's actually a lot of leaves that have come together. You can see. Let me show you the previous one I just did. You can see. So this is it. I hope you guys can see it. You can see it. So it is quite good. This side it looks like. You can see the color is a bit different now because let me just show you guys. Let me show you guys. Let me show you guys. You can see the color is a bit different because this is fresh. You see what I've been doing. I just hydrate it and I just blend it, and this is what I did previously. I did that previously. You can see. You can see. I hope you guys can see what I'm really doing. You can see this is more greenish. This is a little bit light green because this has been. I did this actually last year when I cut my bay leaves, the bay tree. I didn't dehydrate it because I at that time I did not have the dehydrating machine. So what I did was I just dry it. I tie it up and turn it upside down, and I just put it away in my shade. So during the winter it was dry. There was no problem. So at the end of the day, when it was dry, I decided to blend it. That's how I got this. I did not even use oven, but you can use oven to dry if you want. You can use air dry to do it as I did this. But this, what I just did now, this is from my hydrating machine. So maybe if you use your hydrating machine to be more better, I do not know. But it depends on what you have. If you have oven, you use oven. If you have hydrating machine, you can use that, or you can also air dry it. That's what I did. The same benefit, the only thing is that this is a year ago, I have this, and this is now. So we're gonna see next year if the color will change a bit to this, or it will just remain green. But however, I'm gonna put them together. I'm just gonna put them together, right? So that doesn't really matter. So that's this. So okay. So with this one, I'm going to put this in another bottle. Let me just put it here first. I have container. I have a yogurt container that I already have. So I'm going to just put it here first, and then maybe then later I'll put it on my bottle. I look for airtight bottle to put it, or anything that you have. I see my previous one just like in a plastic bottle, but it's airtight, so I have that there. So you can actually look for plastic bottle or glass bottle, whatever you want. You can just do that. Because in my case, why I use that container is because I use the bay leaves every day. I use it every day to season my food because every day I'm in the kitchen cooking. I use it to season my food. So therefore, I don't need to keep it away. I just have it to use, alright? So that's it. Okay, so you can see it's very easy to make. So please, if you love bay leaves, what you do is to, let's say it's very nice and powdery. So if you love bay leaves, what you do is to go out there, buy the bay leaf and just plant it because it grows very fast. It grows very fast. You can get it to buy in a small pot, just like this type of pot. You can buy it like that, and you can put it in your garden. You know, because it do survive the winter. Just put it there. So when you put it there, just anything you need, just take a few leaves, and before you know it, the whole year pass. It can be very huge. And my tree has actually taken me like a few years now, and I have it. And every year I trim it and it's huge. So I share, even right now, those who I share with last year, they're ordering right now and telling me, oh please, when you are trimming your tree, please remember me. They are all placing their order. But I'm not selling that. It's a free. I'm giving it away free of charge, so I don't sell them. So for those who live close to me, they are very happy when they get released, because right now in the store it's really also very expensive. Okay, so that is it. So please get your herbs, plant it, harvest it, and grind it. You don't have to have this high speed multifunctional machine. All you need to do is to have your coffee grinder. You can use the one to grind it. You can dry your products. You can use oven to dry your products. Anything is possible, right? So you can do that, and then you make it simple with a coffee grinder. You grind your leaves and you use it. You can use a whole leaf like this, but you can also use it as a powder. So that is it for now. So I will see you guys in the next my next video. Okay, folks, have a good day. I thank you very much for watching Mama Cooks. But this is what I did today. So I will show you something else in my next video. Alright then. Have a good day, everyone. Practice make perfect. Bye.